Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Welcome to Clover Power Cooking School. My name is Sydney, this is Amos, and we are studying dietetics at Iowa State University.
We're looking forward to cooking with you today. Today we're making a snack recipe from Iowa State, Spend Smart, Eat Smart. Today we're going to be making vegetable dip.
So now we're going to get started with our recipe for today. The first thing we always want to do is wash our hands. I have already washed mine, but if you haven't, make sure to do that now so then we can get started. Make sure you're using warm soapy water and getting underneath your fingernails.
Once our hands are washed, you can get your ingredients. We have our setup already on the counter, but we will need green onion, cucumber, red pepper, yellow pepper, garlic powder, parsley flakes, some salt, black pepper, and 2 Greek yogurts.
For supplies, we're going to need a cutting board, a chef's knife, measuring spoons, a bowl to mix it all in, and a colander for your vegetables to dry off in. Now that everything is washed, we're first going to start out by scooping our Greek yogurt into our mixing bowl.
The next step will be to cut our green onion. Place your green onion on the cutting board, and we'll be using a sharp chef's knife today. A chef's knife is primarily for chopping and slicing foods, which is why we are using it today. Make sure you hold your green onion with a bear claw shaped hand to keep your fingers safe. By slicing the top of the green onion part and thinly slice in a circular motion. Cut all the way to the bottom of the root and throw away the end of the root in the trash when finished. So bear claw method to protect your fingers. And then this can go in the trash.
Now we're going to start by measuring out all of our seasonings into our bowl. This includes 2 teaspoons of parsley, and then we're going to do a ½ teaspoon of salt. Then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now that our green onion is all chopped, we're gonna add this in as well. And now all you have to do is mix it all together in our bowl. And this is going to be our vegetable dip.
We're gonna start by cutting our cucumber into circular slices with our chef's knives. Remember to use the bear claw method technique to protect your fingers. Start by cutting off the end of the cucumber. Now we're going to use the slicing motion with our chef's knives to cut the cucumber into circular motions. Remember to use the bear claw method.
Cucumbers are a great source of vitamin K. This is important for keeping our bones healthy. Cucumbers are also made up of 95% water, so it keeps you hydrated, which is really important for your daily body functions. You can also dip these cucumbers in ranch or hummus if you want to eat them a different way instead of our dip we're making today. Now that we've finished cutting our cucumbers, we can add them to our plate that we're gonna use for all of our vegetables we can dip in our vegetable dip.
Now that we're done cutting our cucumber, we will move on to our yellow bell pepper. You want to start off by cutting the ends of both sides. You can either place these off to the side to eat them later or discard them, whatever you would like. Then you want to place the bell pepper straight up and cut a slit right down the middle. Then you want to lay it flat, open it up, and try to get rid of all the seeds and stems in the middle and throw these away. We will then continue using the bear claw method to cut our yellow bell pepper into thin slices.
Bell peppers are a great source of vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, and fiber. One of the vitamins from peppers that is very important is vitamin C. Vitamin C supports your immune health. This means it can help make you feel better when you're feeling sick. It can also help heal cuts and wounds on your skin. Bell peppers are also a great source of fiber. Fiber helps you support your digestive system, which is how you eat and process food. Eating foods with fiber will help your stomach feel full and not as hungry after eating. Fiber will also help you go to the bathroom so your body can get rid of the things that it no longer needs inside of it. You can also eat bell peppers with scrambled eggs for breakfast and tacos for lunch, or as toppings on a salad if you like a different way to eat them. Now that we have cut all of our vegetables, we're going to pour our dip in our serving dish.
You can also cut an extra bell pepper to add more vegetables to your plate, using the same process as the yellow bell pepper.
Today we used cucumbers and bell peppers for our vegetable dip. What other vegetables do you think we could use next time?
Next time I think about adding some carrots or tomatoes to mine.
That sounds awesome. I think I might put mine on a wrap or sandwich.
Fiber and vitamin C are mainly found in bell peppers and cucumbers. What is one way you could increase the amount of fiber and vitamin C through the foods you eat?
I think I could increase the amount of fiber I eat by adding apples, oranges, or strawberries to my food. And I think I might have a cup of orange juice for breakfast.
That's a good idea. We hope you enjoyed making the snack and that you'll enjoy tasting it too. Thank you for cooking with us today at Clover Power Cooking School.